Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So in this video we are going to see how to fix the brightness issue in the um, OpenMandriva 23.08 snapshot edition, which is based on the KDE Plasma 5.27.7. Okay, and the K Windows Manager. Okay, here we can see in the brightness option and battery there is no brightness options, and also I'm not able to adjust my brightness in the by pressing the brightness controlling button. Okay, not able to adjust, so still it is constant. Uh, it is not working as expected when we pressing the brightness issue. So this issue occurred in all OpenMandriva 23.08 GNOME KDE LXQt editions. Okay, so yesterday I have checked multiple forums, so but not able to fix the exact issue. So yesterday, I mean today morning, I guess. So OpenMandriva releases the new recipes with GNOME KDE Plasma 6, both VLAN and X11 edition. Okay. So what I did, I just downloaded it and I created on boot media. I booted in my laptop. I have checked the contents. What are the contents in the uh, cat etc hostess. Okay, I sorry, set etc default and grub grub file. This is 23.08 editions grub file. Okay, okay, I have checked with 24.07, which is this one, plasma wayland. Wayland. Okay, so I could see there is these two entries: grub command line Linux default, grub command line Linux recovery. These entries are modified, okay, and corrected with yeah, corrected with Linux edition. These lines are completely removed actually. Okay, I will show my what I did. I just copied the contents of the defaults directory in the 24.07 snap editions. Okay, let me show that one downloads. Okay, cd wayland and also to c and also to v. Okay, this is the file was there. I checked the content. Okay, here you can see cat etc defaults grub file. This is our issue 23.08 rom grub file. Here you can see this line default quiet splash windows. Okay, this is totally remote. There is no windows entry there. Okay, and also they have mentioned one driver firmware, right? This is the one. This is the one in 24.07 snap. This is 23.08 snap. Okay, what I am going to do now, I am just going to replace this grub file with 24.07 rom snap editions grub file. Okay, then after I'm going to do up, grub to update and I will reboot the laptop. We'll see what is happening like that. Okay, actually I got tested. It is worked in all GNOME and KDE editions also. I just we are going to try it now. Okay, there is no brightness options. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to replace sudo cp grub file with etc defaults grub. Give yes. It asking sudo password. So now it is replaced. Okay, now checking the vim hyphen d, comparing the file, we can see nothing. No difference. Okay, here you can see no difference. Exit from there and exit from there. Now I have replaced, right? Now what I'm going to do, sudo update grub 2. So it will update the grub file. Okay, okay, it will list what are the boot entries in my laptop. Actually I have installed 5 plus OS in the uh, my laptop, so it will show list of OS, list of other OS. Okay, yeah, Fedora 40 and Manjaro Linux and Tumbleweed and Endeavor also. Yeah, that's it. And this one, the final OS is OpenMandriva. Yeah, done now, right? Now still we are unable to see the brightness option. Okay, now what we are going to do, we have to reboot the system. Okay, we are going to reboot the system, and then we have to, I will start the recording again. We have to see what is happening like that. Okay, I am stopping the record and I am going to reboot, and I will start the record again to show whether it is brightness is working or not like that. Okay, and stop the. Okay friends, my laptop got rebooted. Now we can see the server, see laptop also up and running, right? So now we are able to see the brightness adjustment. Here you can see I am able to see brightness is increasing and decreasing as well. So when I pressing the power buttons, see I mean the brightness increasing and downgrade, so we are able to adjusting the brightness. I am not sure whether the video will showing or not like that, but it is working as expected 100 percentage. So what is the solution if you are asking me? So we have to go by the latest edition which is released by the open mandriva lx 24.07 snap edition. Okay, so if we want to use KDE Plasma 5, then we have to go by the 23.08 Snap edition. So we have to follow the steps. I will update the steps in the description, so you can follow the same to fix the issue. Okay, this issue I have sorted in my HP laptop. This is my HP laptop, HP laptop and other Asus as well. So I think this is the solution for other hardware such as Lenovo or other laptops, Dell. Okay, so you can follow the same and let me know in the comment section whether it is fixed or not like that. Okay, thank you very much, and please subscribe my channel and comment if that is really useful.